Good morning, children. You already learnt about B reading My Mother, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now, this is C reading a letter to a friend. And who are the friends? Suresh and Ramesh. So, children, you too have many friends and you also like to write the letters. But nowadays, because of science and technology and invention of mobiles, it became easy to talk with others. But in earlier days, there were no mobiles and they wrote letters and sent by post. And here the letter is written by Ramesh to Suresh. So actually, Suresh and Ramesh were childhood friends, and they planned to meet at somewhere else in Hyderabad. But Ramesh was so sad, so busy, he could not meet his friend. So, feeling very sorry, he wrote a letter to his friend Suresh. So, this is an informal letter written by Ramesh. Dear Suresh, this is Ramesh. I apologize for not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad last week. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. So, where were they lived in their childhood? In their childhood, they lived in Manikonda village, and this is very unfortunate for him because he could not meet his friend Suresh, and he had one urgent meeting in his office in Hyderabad. They planned to meet, but they could not meet. Every day we played together in our garden. Our family was very big. So there are two types of families: joint family and a nuclear family. But here Ramesh family, they were joint family, and he lived with his grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts, and many more people in his family. So they enjoyed the joint life joint family very much. There were 12 members in our family. I remembered how we played in moonlight. Our grandpa used to give us fruit and biscuits. Our grandpa used to tell us fairy tales about the princess, warriors, and the village boys. So altogether they have 12 members in their family. And so he remembered his childhood. They played, both of them played in the moonlight. Do you know, in the village we can find out many open places, and the moonlight is very clear, especially on full moon day. So they played in the moonlight, and in the childhood also we know that our grandparents, they generally tell us the stories. And here Ramesh grandma gave fruits and biscuits to both of them, and grandpa also told many stories. Stories means here the stories of the kings, and great soldiers, great leaders, and village boys, and many more people. So they enjoyed listening the stories also. Now I am working at Microsoft, a software company in Hyderabad, as a computer programmer. I am married and we have a child. My wife works at Dell Hyderabad and as an system analyst. So do you know, in Hyderabad we have many more software companies. So Microsoft is also one of the largest software company, and here Ramesh is working at software Microsoft company as a computer programmer, and he also married and blessed with a child. And his wife is also working in a Dell. Dell is also one of the name of a software company, and she works as a system analyst. So system analyst, programmer, they are the designation of the employees in various software companies. You know, city life is quite busy. We start in the morning, leave our child and the baby care center, and come back in the evening with faded faces. We hardly find time to sit together. How disgusting! We work with computers, think like computers, and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. So we know the difference between the city life and the country life. In seventh class you learned the difference between the village life and the city life. Here also the city life is nothing but the mechanical life, and no one will care about the others. So here they are very always busy, and they start going to the office in the morning, and they return in the evening with faded faces. Faded means tired and dull faces. So the entire day his baby used to spend at the baby care center, and they hardly means very rarely, they did not have any time to sit together and to enjoy, or to share the feelings, or to tell the stories. So this was the nothing but the busy life in the city. Okay, children, we have forgotten our family. Our family means here the grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Yes, now coming to the third paragraph. I remember how we played gilli danda, hide and seek, and kabaddi. Gilli danda, hide and seek, and kabaddi are the village. Gilli danda is the one of the village sport. So in Telugu, what we say billa karra, and hide and seek, dagudu mutulu, and kabaddi general we play in the school. And so all these are the sports. He remembered they played in their village. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. So in the village we have the open space, and gardens, many more things to play freely. But in the apartment there is no place. This is a limited space, and they can't play, because you know how the apartments are. In the cellar many vehicles are the cars, and it is shared by every people. They never, moreover watchman uncle never allow you to play in the cellar. So his child also has no place to play like them in the city. So our flat is over the world, so their space is limited, and they think, they ignore whatever is happening outside their apartments. Okay, children, how happy we were in our school. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together, and took part in the events. I remember how Padmanabhaya sir, our class teacher, appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair. So now, children, you are all at home because of this corona. You are all in safe, I hope so. So you think about your school, our school, and the benches, the classmates, teachers, and everything. You already want to come back to the school to enjoy with everybody. Am I right? So this is, that was our happy life, but now the entire situation has changed, you know, children. So how happy we were. So these Ramesh and Suresh were also spent their days happily in the school, and both of the same benchmates, and they sit together, and both were very clever and intelligent, and they participated in the many events, just like a science fair or drawing competitions or many more competitions. And their teacher was Padmanabhaya. Padmanabhaya is the name of the class teacher, and this Padmanabhaya sir appreciated means liked, praised them, because they got first prize in science exhibitions, district level science exhibitions. I remember the we went on a picnic to Koil Sagar. There we went boating. Our tour to Srisailam was the memorable still. I remember the green hills full of trees, the almost touched the sky. So we children, we also went last year for the picnic, and in the same way in the school they also went for the picnic. They attended the picnic and they enjoyed the green hills of the trees and Sri Salem. Really, it is not forgettable for anyone who enjoys the school life. And the green hills, the hills are very high, and they felt that it is almost going to touch the sky. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. There is nothing here. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of the computer and plays games, never caring for anyone. So here in this paragraph, so Ramesh, he expressed his feelings about his child also. His child also sits very silent, was no active, and he doesn't have any place to play with others, and he also doesn't have any grandma or grandpa along with them to enjoy, or to play, to share the stories. And he always sits before the computer. And children, you also know how to play the games, no? And this child also always sits before the computer and plays the games. He did not bother about anyone. So this was the life of his child. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He brought toys and fruit. Our for us, our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasara. How we enjoyed Deepavali. Still, I remember and hear the sound of the crackers. So, what is your favorite festival, children? Your favorite festival is Diwali, because you like to play the crackers, and you like to hear the sound of the crackers also. So here Ramesh, his aunt and Ramesh, his aunt and uncle generally come to visit to the village for Dasara and Diwali festivals, and his aunt brought for him a dress for Dasara, and his uncle also purchased and made many crackers which they enjoyed. I can see the rockets flying in the sky, making the night full of light. Where are those days? My child does not know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and a neighbor are the same. So he also listened the rockets flying in the sky, and he also remembered the childhood days when they celebrated Diwali and Dasara. But he feels very sad because his child does not know who is uncle and who is aunt. And for him, the neighbors are the uncles and aunts. So why children? Because this Ramesh and his wife, they did not have much time to visit to the village and to spend some days along with grandparents. So what did you understand from this? Whenever we are getting the time or during our holidays, it is better to maintain the human relation in the sense family relation with the others, so that we can know who is aunt, who is uncle, and the different relations among us. Sometimes I think of our childhood days. I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, and sisters. We missed them. We missed the joy of the family. We missed their company, and we missing many things in this busy life. So these are the some of the memories of their childhood, and he feels that he missed all the joy of the family, and he also missing the many things in this busy life. So busy life is nothing but doing the work and going to office and taking a rest. So in the last paragraph, Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone, where those fairy tales and those words of love and affection. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let us remember our childhood days of joy. So here at the end of the letter, he said Suresh, he again remembered his how they played in the gardens, and now there were no gardens, and everywhere we can find out the houses and the apartments, and the love, moreover the words of the love and affection, we can find the love and affection from our people, and he feels that the city life is not the real life, that is the unreal life, and he feels very sad, and he also wants to spend the real life. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found the time to write to you. Please come to me. Let us remember our childhood days of joy. So at last he says that he got the time to write the letter to you, because he was so busy that he did not even get the time to speak or to write the letters. And he also invited him once again to come to the village, so that they can remember the childhood days of enjoyment. Your loving friend Ramesh. So Ramesh remains, and he apologizes for not attending him while he visited to Hyderabad. So this is the real friendship. Okay, children, I think you have understood the lesson, and this is the informal letter, and you already learnt in 7th class the format of the formal and informal letter. Okay, children, thank you. Once again, read this lesson.